Next, we'll take a look at the dashboard page, and that's kind of where we get a high-level overview of the entire system. So we can see the total task seconds automated. So that's the amount of seconds that are automated by your agents. So this does not include any waiting or dull time or listening time or anything like that. This is active engagement, actual compute time. So that's what this is, and this is kind of like a stats overview here. And then we've got your goals map, we've got your active agents, your active workflows, and tools inventory, and some information on your runs and throughput here. And then we've got the runs page, and this actually shows the runs and executions of all of the workflows or goals that run through the system. So you can actually check and see the details of any nodes that ran. You can also see goals. You can see which agents worked on a particular goal, what tools they used, the inputs and outputs for that agent, and all of that here as well. You can see any that are running, all the ones that have completed, any that have failed or stopped, all of that. You can export your runs, you can clear filters, and all of that from here too.